From the main page, we're going to go to the Collaboration tab on the left. The two main items in this that you'll be using will be the forums and the course mates. We're going to start with the forums because there's a lot of things that you can do with that. So under forums, the very first thing you can do is edit the forum. In doing that, you can add new topics for students to discuss. You click Add a Topic, give the topic a name, and give it a description. When you're done, you can again set when you want it to go and when you want it to end. You can decide what new content you'll accept. Posts and replies is generally the best option. Who can access it? You want it to make sure that it's available to all users and guests. And you want to set the restrictions. Again, you don't want restrictions. You want your students to be able to see everything that's been posted and to be able to reply. Also, you can use moderation so that when a student posts a reply, you have to approve it before it will be posted, or you can choose not to. When you're done, save your topic, and it will appear. You can decide where you want your topics to be. If you want the most recent one at the top, then you can reorder them like that. You can edit it by clicking the pencil, delete it by clicking the garbage can, and also change the access. It will tell you the access here. So the world means that anyone can see it, anybody can reply to it. This is also, you want to make sure this box is not checked because that means that your students can post anonymously, and obviously you don't want them to do that. When you're done, click Forums at the top on the yellow bar, and it will lead you back to here. The way that you post in a forum, maybe to reply to your students or to start a thread, is you click the folder for where you want to start, and then you click Add a Post. From there, you do the subject, and then you put your content. When you're done, you can preview it if you want, or you can just submit it, and it will show. The way you can reply to a post that perhaps a student has already posted is you click the reply button in the top, and then you enter your content. And then again, you can preview or you can just submit. One thing to note while you're making forum posts is that MyGCC can time out if you leave it sitting still for too long. So if you're going to be posting a long forum post, you should probably do it in Microsoft Word and then copy and paste it into the forum. When you're done posting, you can go back to forums. And here are your other options at the top. You can subscribe to a forum, and you can choose to be emailed whenever there is a new post, and you can put all of your posts in your subscribed forums. So if anyone replies to you, you'll get it. This is nice if you have students that are required to reply for an assignment, then you'll know that they've done that. You can view all the unread posts and replies, which is a nice feature if you want to read all the things that the students have posted. Again, you click forums to get back to this main page. You can view only your posts and replies. And you can see the user list. The user list will say all of your students and all the people who are in the course. It will say how many posts they've put, how many replies they've put, and overall how many times they've contributed, as well as their role in the course. If you want to contact a student, you can click the email to tell them, hey, you should be posting more in the forum, and make sure that they're contributing. So that is the forum and how to use it. So you can go back to the collaboration tab and click the course mates tab. This is a great way to contact your whole class. Right now there's only 2, but when you have all of your students, they will all be listed, and you can go to the bottom, click select all, or choose who to email. You can email, there will be a students option when there's students, so you can choose to email just faculty, just guest faculty, or just students, or you can email everyone. And then you click open email. It's polite to click private so that everyone's email is not listed in the to field. You can do the subject of the email and the content. When you get to the bottom, you can attach a file if you choose. Again, the way you're going to do that is you click choose file, whatever content you want to put. So maybe sending out the notes instead of putting them in the handout section on MyGCC, and then make sure you click add. You'll know it's been added when it shows up like this, and there's an option to, a checkbox and an option to remove it. When you're done with the email and you have it all set, you can click send, and it will tell you that your message was sent successfully. This is really nice for your students too, to use the collaboration tab so they can work with their classmates, maybe find someone with an assignment they missed, or collaborate as a group. So this is very helpful for both students and faculty to collaborate. And that is how you use the collaboration tab.